Hey everybody, Cowboy here. We've had quite a few wins in the private group this week, and of course we're not a signal group, but I do share my trades, and people who might have research that looks like mine could also win similar trades, right? So either way, there's been a lot of winning going on. And if you want to find out more about that, there is a QR code bottom of the right-hand side of the screen. You can zap that, go to www.algofactory.tech, or wait until after this quick clip to find out more about who we are and what we do. So SNX. I got a buddy that bought Link on the way down at 19, thinking it was just going to keep going in the most recent bear market. So he's very happy to see price. He bought a lot, like he went 6 figures on it. So he's going to be happy here. Same scenario with SNX. Okay, so again, we're looking at charts that kind of lag a little bit, and I wanted to use this list that I got over the weekend to kind of show you all what I think are the good ones to go long on, because they're in pullbacks. So you got basically, it's already in the liquidity. It may go lower, it may not. It may just kind of pop like this. It might more dip a little bit and then head up. But I'd be looking for something along these lines. And of course, with S and X on the higher time frame, that's been around for a minute. So there's going to be some old stuff to look at here. I'd be looking at 464 as a place to possibly take some profit, or at least take off some risk. And when I say take off risk, that means raise stops, right? So just a little bit of nomenclature, right? So let's just say that we, let's just say I go long, like right here, just, for educational purposes here. I haven't done it, and I will tell everybody if I do, but price at 465 price right there is a problem. There's not a problem, but there's a resistance right there. So now there's more resistance up here somewhere. I don't know where it is offhand. It might be at 6 or whatever. But what I would do is, if I had gone long, I would take profit here. If price breaks above it, I would either buy when it breaks above if it's really bullish, or look for a pullback. Right now, a pullback will probably occur on a lower time frame, so you might not see it on the daily, but there should be pullbacks in a lower time frame. Or if you are a risky individual, or at least you're less risk adverse, then you can go ahead and just enter as price breaks above, and then worry about your stop loss later. I like to see a slight pullback at least, so I can have some structure underneath which to put my stop. So but that's where I'm looking at with S and X, looking at entering whenever it turns around, and then exiting at like 460-ish. Okay. The next one I want to look at, let's take a quick look at something. Some people, I've got people with targets up at like $6, $9. So that, but I'm talking about just the immediate move, right? Okay, so here we are a couple of days later, and you see that this trade popped up, and it does look as if it is going to continue, although it's well past 1-to-1 profit. The stop loss I put on that video is pretty much what you're seeing right there. It was not precise, but it was kind of a basic idea. So either way, anybody who got into this, if they had similar research, so on and so forth, anybody got in a trade that looks like this would be doing pretty well right now, and that is the 3rd or 4th win this week, and it's only Tuesday, so we are absolutely killing it. I hope that you all are able to come check us out. And if you stick around right after this little bit of a clip, we got more information on how to do that. Hopefully we see you at Algo Factory. Hey everybody, Cowboy here. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget you can go over to www.algofactory.tech. Zap the QR code on the screen. Get us on Twitter at algo_factory777. And don't forget, we help people become traders. We help also to put people on the road to creating an algorithm that you can automate if that's what you would want to do. You can walk away, trade, it's a beautiful thing. And limited time, $49.99 a month for the membership. We hope to see you there. Thanks.